Xin chào everybody. Welcome back. You're watching Vietnam Steve. And I've got a good one for you today. It's only going to be 5 minutes, so you don't have to worry about the background noise. But what I'm doing is I'm just going to film without any noise reduction on the sights and sounds of Vietnam. So it's a noisy old place, and you'll get the picture from this Vart what sort of noise there is. So I'm just walking down the main street here till I can cut through some of the back streets. But it's not unusual to have cars and trucks and motorbikes and jackhammers and circular saws and all sorts of things going in the background. So just take a moment and just listen to the sounds that we pick up on this video. It's always good to make sure you don't get run over when you're doing this. But you don't hear this on YouTube normally, because YouTube doesn't like background noise or music or popular places. So what you're actually getting fed on YouTube is quiet, unpopular places, and not real life. It often boggles my mind because most of the sights and sounds of Vietnam that I want to show you are those popular places. But I've got to say, they're all too noisy to video. I think one of the reasons I come out early in the morning is to avoid the sounds. Electric drill going off in the background over there, and just so that you can concentrate on my Gotta love those sounds of Vietnam. So just a quick one for you today. I hope you've understood the trials and tribulations of background noise in Vietnam. And it's one of the things you need to consider if you're coming here, because if a noisy, vibrant place is not your cup of tea, you're going to find it hard to be able to sit in a park and have quiet in Vietnam. And this is only half the noise that we normally have, because half the time it's raining, and the roads are even more noisy when it's raining. Thanks for watching. It's been a noisy Vart from Vietnam Steve. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Of course, sometimes the background noise in Vietnam is fine.